Welcome to the video, guys. You are going to see some very nice photos from the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra tested on 1x, 3x optical zoom, 5x which is optical and hybrid, it depends on the phone, and 10x again depends on the phone, optical and hybrid, guys. So I'm gonna focus on HDR as well, 8K video, guys, and portraits. Now pay attention, this is already the 3x photo. Now that's the 5x photo, and you can just see, of course, the Xiaomi one is a bit more sharper because we are on optics here. This surprised me, guys. 10x optical on the S23 Ultra, but still not so bad from the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Now, guys, 1x on both phones. 3x where we have the optical zoom and the edge a bit on the S23 Ultra, a bit more softer on the Xiaomi, but when we reach the 5x, guys, you can just see the Xiaomi on the right making really nice photo. And 10x, guys, also very hard to compare. It really depends on what you like. Now again, guys, 1x, just pay attention to the HDR, the grass on the Xiaomi pictures, and the whole tone, the color tones, guys, on the Xiaomi really looks a bit more natural to the eye. There's also some artifacts on the S23 Ultra. Now the 10x photo is gonna come very interesting, guys. It really depends on what do you like. They're all so good. This here is a brilliant example for nice smartphone photography, guys. Again, the grass on the Xiaomi is a bit more realistic to what we've seen on the S23 Ultra. Pay attention now to this photo, guys. Very softened on the S23 Ultra, and the 10x, guys, is almost even out, and the S23 Ultra has optics. The 10x on the Xiaomi is for sure hybrid. One more time, starting from 1x, going to the 3x. Now focus please here on the text, guys. This now is the 5x photo, guys. Definitely the edge goes to the Xiaomi, and the 10x is the best test here, and I cannot say that one or the other is better, right? They're really brilliant. Now this is interesting, guys. We start from 10x here, go to 15x, and you can just see that Xiaomi is a bit suffering right now, and the 30x is really a clear win for the S23 Ultra to soften on the Xiaomi. And the next photo that you're gonna see also is 30x, so I can clearly say that from what I see, 30x is definitely better on the Samsung. But now let's go back on 1x. Again, this situation here with the green grass. 3x on this chopper, guys. Pay attention. Now we're gonna go to 5x. Definitely here the Xiaomi 13 Ultra wins. It's optics. And 10x, guys, 10x should go to the Samsung, but it's not. It's really crazy what the Xiaomi can do. Welcome to the 8K video test, guys. On the left, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra doing 8K 30 FPS, and on the right we have the Xiaomi 13 doing 8K 24. Now I'm just going to do some close-ups, guys, so that you are able to see the intensity of the details captured in 8K, okay? And pay attention to the green colors, sky, exposure, everything, HDR, how those phones are handling it. Now, of course, the Galaxy is handling these things like a boss with 30 FPS. But the Xiaomi can do 8K on all the other lenses, so I'm not sure really what is the best. There is a common ground compromise to be made. I'll just show you some of this equipment, guys, here. St. George today in Bulgaria, so that's also Bulgarian's army celebration day, guys. You can get to see some of this fancy stuff, and I get to test my camera together with you. And now back to the standard UHD or 4K 60 FPS videos, guys. It's very important to mention that I'm using the latest May firmware on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and also the very latest update on the Xiaomi 13, one that is 22 megabytes. There are some claims that it somehow degrades photo quality, but this has been denounced by the folks that I know from the Gcam community, which I know I can rely on. So now enjoy this 4K 60 FPS footage, guys, and let me know which video is better. I have named the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra the best Android phone right now, and also the best phone for 2023 for now mid-season, and one of the main reasons was this video, and mainly the video stabilization. Now, okay, guys, let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna take a run, and you can just see what happens everything that is not the S23 Ultra, alright? It's just really batshit crazy. One more time. So it's really amazing what this phone can do, thanks to the twice wider OIS, guys. And now let's just do some close-ups, okay, to check the level of detail, and also the color reproduction, guys. and you will let me know what you think down below in the comments. Now I'm gonna do some sky videos. Let me know which phone is handling HDR like a boss. Pay attention to the shadows, also the highlights. They should all be very visible without any burns. The clouds separated clearly from the blue sky, and also somehow still the grass to be seen the way it should be seen. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn to this plane here and show you the zoom that you can do on, of course, 4K 60, which is gonna be rather limited. Alright, so 410 on the S23 Ultra, guys, and you can do only 6 on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, guys. To put this into a perspective, guys, this is it. So 10x on the S23 Ultra, guys, and sadly only 6x on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Now time for some portrait photos, guys. I did hundreds of portrait photos, guys, and I can only say that the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a bit more, again, a bit more realistic colors compared to the S23 Ultra, but this is something that is rather easily fixed and everybody can just decide based on the personal preference. Both phones do amazing portraits, so I cannot say one or the other is better. Again, the skin tone on the Xiaomi phones is a bit more true to life. Now you can all see, guys, 4K 30 FPS footage, but what is very important, I'm using 3x on the S23 Ultra and 3.2x on the 13 Ultra Xiaomi. It's all optical, guys. I will try to not move around so much, so you have the chance to determine which footage is better, which footage is sharper, guys. Okay, keep looking. And now I'm shooting 10x, guys. 10x is optical on the Galaxy and hybrid on the Xiaomi. Now time for some zoom photography, guys. This one is 1:1, but the next one on the left hand side, guys, you can see the S23 Ultra clearly struggles. The shutter speed is still not okay and the phone just struggles to do the perfect shot. I'm not saying that the one on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra are perfect, but definitely there is more focus and the object is sharper. I really hope, guys, that you've enjoyed this video. Again, I'm looking to identify borderline scenarios, nitpicking. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Like the video if that's the case, sub to the channel if you want, and stay safe. VST over, and bye.